Hey everyone, this is Amy from Neethus Academy. In today's video, we will unravel one of the most deceptively simple tasks in PTE reading, reorder paragraph. With the right approach, you will not only improve accuracy but save valuable time. Let's explore how. First, let's look into the basics. In the reorder paragraphs task, you will be given 4 to 5 sentences in the jumbled order. And your task or job is to rearrange the sentences into a coherent and logical paragraph. This tests your understanding of textual cohesion, coherence, and paragraph structure. Now, here are 5 key strategies that will help to improve your accuracy. First step, begin with a topical sentence. Look for a sentence that introduces a subject without relying on prior content. It doesn't start with connectors like however, this or this, and it won't refer to something that is previously mentioned. It stands independently and gives you a broader overview. Now, I will give you an example for a topic sentence. Cultural diversity plays a significant role in shaping global perspectives. This likely stands as an opener. Second step, track the logical connection. Words like however, therefore, consequently, or in contrast, they signal transition. They do not begin a paragraph. Rather, they link back to earlier content. So, use them to determine follow-up relationships like contrast, cause effect, or continuation. So, if a sentence starts with a connector, however, it is responding to something mentioned earlier, and it tells you that it is not an opener. Third step, spot referential dependencies. Pronouns and determiners such as these, this, they, or it points backward. So, if a sentence references something undefined, it cannot be placed first. For example, this phenomenon has been widely studied in recent years. Here, you need to ask what phenomenon, and that explanation must appear earlier. Fourth step, recognize chronological or procedural clues. Look out for time markers like initially, subsequently, before that, later, or finally, especially in the historical or descriptive context. These words serve as an excellent cues for sequencing events or processes. Fifth step, identify general to specific structure. Academic or informational writings often follow a general statement followed by elaboration, examples, or clarification. Identify this pattern to logically connect or pair supporting sentences with a parent idea. For example, the healthcare industry is evolving rapidly. This can be followed by telemedicine and AI-driven diagnostics are becoming increasingly common. And here are some final recommendations. Always read all the boxes before beginning. Pre-reading helps form a mental map. Don't rely on keyword matching. Focus on conceptual or structural logic. As well, practice recognizing how ideas unfold, especially in the academic test. And that is how you master reorder paragraphs in PTE reading. With practice and right mindset, this will become one of the most manageable ones in the exam.
PTE ഇനി 100% വിജയം. നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിൽ മാത്രം.